Welcome to another amazing day. This is a distribution block by nVent ERIFLEX. It is a single pole distribution terminal which has a capacity of 255 ampere for 600 volts and 250 ampere for 1000 volts. AC or DC means it can carry hotline and batteries. You only need one more for the set. You can slide it like that so you can stick to it for extension. The installation type is a DIN rail. It can also be installed in a screw. There's two holes here and commonly used for neutral line, grounding terminals, and solar system. It has a Allen socket for the Allen wrench. These are the size. It has 8 mm for the main line. That's the main line. One hole and 11 holes for the branches. The socket size are 4 mm here. These are the 4 mm. This row including the one in the middle. I think this is 5.5 mm. Here and here. And the smallest is here. I think that is 3 mm. 3 mm. Yep, it's 3 mm. And if you see this, there are window holes here. All of the terminals has window holes so that if you put the cable in, if it's all set and it is safe for retightening it. It also has a flip cover with an individual spacing. We're good.